Hello guys, welcome back in Operation Matterhorn for USSR and CCP turn 15. So CCP is going to buy 3 infantry and save 1. For combat, you are going to attack Hope with 1 infantry and the 2 medium bombers. You are going to take Sikeng with 1 infantry and this is for combat. So well, let's roll this one. Japan is in orange. We got 1 infantry in red, 2 medium bombers. Et lui, ça va. And we hit. And he miss. These guys are going to move here. And this is moving here. All of this is moving there. We are going to move this infantry here. And this infantry is moving down also. Okay, for recruitment, we roll on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We hit. So we take 1 infantry into there. Hein? Ah non, dans tous les cas, on produisait. And the 3 infantry will be produced into here. Voilà, ça un petit peu plus stock le CCP maintenant. Ça me paraît bien là. Alright, so CCP got 6 plus 2, that's 8, and plus 1 equal 9 for next turn. I mean 1 saved. Next up is USSR. We got 1 tech left. We are going to roll for airborne. That's a hit. Anybody donc? So 57 to spend. We are going to spend all of it. We are going to rush 1 airfield by 1 rocket, 5 heavy armors, 2 militia, 2 infantry upgrade, and 1 AAA, 1 airborne. Combats. We are going to attack Bessarabia here with all of that. These 3 armors, this infantry as well. The mech here. This rocket will be fired on the airbase here. The other rocket will be fired on this airbase here. We are going to attack with 1 militia and 1 airborne into Tulalipetsk. Air transport is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will land there. And by the way, the airfield is being rushed in Western Ukraine. One fighter will go there, and another one from Leningrad. No, the tactical will go. Soit qu'il se positionne 1, 2, 3. Ouais. And the two fighters here will attack Smolensk along with one cavalry from here and one infantry. Ah, il va peut-être nous taper au course, quoi. On n'a pas pensé à ça. Ouais. 100% VP. Et on a tiré la tech, donc c'est trop tard. Bah, il en a un en bas, dans tous les cas, qui a porté. Faudra mettre une milice au pire, pour le faire chier. Alright. This medium bomber here will go 1, 2, 3 to Warsaw, along with the other medium bomber coming 1, 2, 3, 4, and they are going to bomb this rail and this one. And this army here will attack Western Manchuria, so all of it except the militias. I'm gonna take all of that on the battle board. And on avait dit lequel déjà? Celui du haut, non? Qu'on prenait de territoire. Pour l'infanterie qui reste. This one will take this one. Yes, is a géant. Oui. Ouais, on n'a pas la thune, on n'a pas la thune. Oui, et c'est très rentable, ces charbons. And I think this is all for combat. I'm just going to move this TBD 1, 2 here. I forgot to roll for diplomacy quickly. So, did I roll on this road? I don't think so. So, we are going to roll for this one and this one. No. Okay. Let's start with some rockets. First of all, in Romania. D'accord, il n'y avait pas d'autre combat à dire. Tout. On fait l'autre roquette, je pense, direct. This rocket here. Max damage. Comme c'est 3. Okay, nice. Next up, we are going to attack here into Lipetsk. So we got one militia on one. Going to start with the fighter and tactical. Tactical will be in red, fighter in orange. And we hit, and he defends on a 3. He miss. Fighter will land here as long as the tactical. Carré. And here we got cavalry will be in red, 2 fighters in blue, infantry in orange. We hit, and he defends on a 4. Miss. Fighter will land in western Ukraine as well. On n'a pas une Air Force. Oh. On l'a supprimé? Non, c'est pas. On va prendre n'importe quel carré là. Okay. Next up, this combat, veteran can elect to scramble 3 fighters, but I don't think he will. So let's roll that. Ah yeah, he cannot. He rocket airways. So we got 3 tanks and miss. We got 7 infantries. And miss. And we got 1 mech on A3. Hit Psartek. Alright, and he defends on A2. Miss. Oh, on est bien. Okay, so this is done. Next combat here, we're going to go and bomb the whale. I think it's 1 damage, so it doesn't need to work. We'll just land here. Ouais, la Air Force de zinzin. On les raille. Alright, next up is the big combat against Japan. So first round, there is mountain for us. And after that, no more terrain. So these guys are here. After he wants participate in the combat. C'est juste, hein. Commence. There is no first strike, I believe. No. Ok, so let's. Oui, mais il perd les pips 4 par 4. Nous, on perd 1. Mais faut qu'on touche. Si on touche rien, mec, c'est la merde. C'est bof, hein, très très bof. 3 hits, so he lose 3 infantry. Of course. Grossi, mais il target select avec son char, je casse tout. Un peu moins. Correct. Correct, correct, sauf ça. Oh. Oui, oui. Il a mis très beaucoup de touchés, mais bon. 6. Moi, je propose qu'on parle entière. Il a plus trop d'avions sur nous. So this is gone. And 4 infantry. Non. En vrai, je taperai 2 cavaleries aussi. Parce qu'en défense, sinon, on pue la D. Ok. J'avoue. So he lost 4 infantries, 2 AAA for 6 damage. Ah, je viens d'avoir un doute. Est-ce que j'ai pas pris des dés verts à 6 au dernier round? T'avais check, non? Il a touché. Ok. So 5 hits. So no more infantries. Et là, c'est l'instant de vérité. Oh oui. J'aime ce que je vois. 2 hits. So we are going to lose 2 cavalry. For sure. Et là, t'es prêt? C'est là qu'on va faire des target select avec les chars. Ouais. Alright, so let's go. Il est pas à 7, hein, notre chasseur, si jamais. One, two. Dis-moi qu'on a fait un touché. Punaise. 2 hits. That's gone. Euh, 3 touchés. Damn it. Ça pue, hein. Est-ce qu'on retraiterait pas? Viens, on regarde vite fait. Leur attaquer avec 3 avions, 3 soldats, un char. T'as fait 8 soldats, c'est ce qui compte. On a perdu 7. Non, même pas. Ah, c'est là que c'est chiant, hein. C'est là où on aurait bien voulu ramener l'usine. Agra, ouais. Est-ce qu'on garderait pas des cavaleries du coup? À la place de l'infanterie. Ouais, comme ça on menace un petit peu de l'autre côté. Ça me va. So we are going to keep the cavalry instead of the infantries and retreat. Retreat. Non combat. Est-ce qu'on ramènerait pas l'infanterie de South Sakhalin? Je pense quoi? Est-ce qu'on ramènerait pas l'infanterie de South Sakhalin à Amour? Parce qu'elle nous permet de ramener plus de milices si on veut attaquer autre chose. On bouge combien de milices? On mettra encore une là. Ça me paraît bien comme ça. Ça te va? Okay, next up, you are going to move these 4 guys here and put them in the best position. We are going to rail this Chipolei here as well. And 1 infantry from Leningrad will be railed into Western Ukraine. We are going to move 1 infantry from Finland, from Helsinki into southern Finland. D'accord, c'est ça le truc le plus court. Hein. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Il n'a rien apporté. Je laisserai quand même la milice. Ouais, ça me va. Ça me va. Ça, mais ouais, mais je pense qu'il va. Un contre. Ouais, il va le tester, il va le faire. Hein. Il va le tenter. On va le course si on met qu'une seule milice. Ouais, de toute façon, on le reprend. Il y a des bougs en haut qui servent à rien d'autre qu'à ça. Hein. Pas une usine près. Alright. This seaplane is going to move into here as well. And I think this should be it. So let's go ahead and place units. Attends, la deuxième amélioration de soldat, elle est pour qui? Est-ce qu'on aurait... Ah ouais, des connards. Ouais, mais ça change rien. Il va nous, nouveau nous casser les couilles. Ouais, je suis sûr que c'est foutu. Sauf si on lui dit pas, mais après, peut-être un incident diplomatique. Ah ouais, au pire, c'est pas grave. On a un canon de moins. Ah mais s'il y a un tir qui sert à rien, du coup. Yeah, I did a bit of a mistake here. I wanted to upgrade another motorized here, and this was supposed to be one infantry who went there, but we didn't attack, so I don't know if that's good. Um, yeah, tell me if you are not happy with that. But these both guys are upgraded. Non, non. Ah oui. 5 heavy armors placed here. T'as à lever la plaque un peu. Augmenter le... Attends, du coup, on a mis quoi? On a mis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. Going to place rocket and airborne there as well. One militia will be placed into Kursk, other militia into East Poland. And the air base is going to revert to Western Ukraine. Yes. That's it. So for collecting income, we are currently at 49. We got the line bonus, all of our cities. That's 5. So, and plus 2, that's 7. So 60, 56 for next turn. On a une pièce de moins qu'avant. Hein? Ouais, c'est parce qu'on n'a pas récupéré celle-là. Mais oui. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.